Hello students, welcome to online classes. Next chapter is 5, three-dimensional coordinates. What is the coordinates you are already discussing in previous classes in locus, the straight line. You are discussing up to only 2 points, ox and oy, and that is p of x comma y. This is a three-dimensional. Two-dimensional means you can take here square, rectangular or circle. What about this one is three-dimensional means in vectors you have already about it. You have the another coordinates here, x coordinate, ox and y coordinate. This is the third one. You can take this a z coordinate. This is a oz, y-axis, oy, oz. This is the three-dimensional coordinates you can call here. Okay. For example, you can take here cubic or cuboid. You can take anyone. This is we have the already 10th class you have studied in cubic and cubic volume and surface area, total surface area, curved surface area, and cylindric, all the things. This is you can observe in this is the three-dimensional coordinate only. This is x, this is y. You can take here z only. Cubic or cuboid. This also you can observe here. Example for the three dimensions. Here also this is the x-axis. Our convenience you can take the figure is this is x, this is y, and taking the another red or green color is there. Wait, this is z. I am taking as a g, green color. Okay, this is three types, three vertices are given. This is the fundamental of the three dimensions coordinate. For example, or you can take your dice. You playing the any business kind, that is a business game. You have the dice in 6 spaces. This is also very important real example for the three dimension of the coordinates. What is the coordinates you can observe here? Standard form of the x coordinates and y coordinate, z coordinate you can take here. First, for example, it is a x coordinate means you can write here x values and 0 and 0 you can take the y and z values. This is the x at point of x coordinate, x comma 0 comma 0. At y I can take here any point, that is 0 comma y comma 0. At z you can take here 0 comma 0 comma z. This is the basic concept. For example, in two dimensional 0 comma x comma 0 0 comma y only. If it is three dimensional coordinate here x comma 0 comma 0, y coordinate is 0 comma y comma 0, and third one is 0 comma 0 comma z. This is the concept, and you can write the important some points is I am writing here. First one is the equation xy plane equation is, if it is xy plane means you can write here z is equal to 0, because xy plane means the z term is not here occurring, therefore xy plane is you can write here z is equal to 0. Again, second one is the equation of yz plane. Tell me, yz means remaining is x is equal to 0. There is x term is not 0, yz only. And last one is the equation of xz plane. Y is equal to 0. If it is z is equal to 0 means that is a xy plane only. X and y coordinates exist. YZ means x is equal to 0 means YZ plane only. Y is equal to 0 means XZ plane. This is the basic concept of the three dimension. Okay. For example, you can take any point is any point. How can you define that is P of x comma y comma z. Is the point is how can you define that is x comma y comma z. Next is you can write one another notice. Basic concept of here. Distance of the P of x comma y comma z. I am taking any point is in here x comma y comma z from origin. Origin means 0 0 0 you can take here. In previously 2 dimension means you can take the 0 comma 0. But this is 3 dimension means you can take the 0 comma 0 comma 0. Therefore 0 minus x whole square, 0 minus y whole square, 0 minus z square. You get the origin is distance is root of x square plus y square plus z square. This also can write here formula x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, this is a very important. Next one is if this 2 point is given, 2 points. What the 2 points is? For example, P of x1 comma y1 comma z1 and q of x2 comma y2 comma z2. Then distance between P and Q. Distance between P and Q. How can that here? Under root of same formula, but third coordinate here adding only. What is the remain first in second coordinate 2 dimension? What is saying that is x2 minus x1 whole square. Here also you can write here first x2 minus x1 whole square as it is plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus and third one is z2 minus z1 whole square. I am adding the third coordinate only z2 minus z1 whole square. This is the if it is origin means you can directly root of x square plus y square plus z square. If it is given 2 points is PQ is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. These are only for exercise 1A. Another one note is there. You can write here. I am telling. Next 2 points is first I am writing here. If the distance of the 2 points, if the distance of the point P of x comma y comma z from x-axis to the x-axis, from to the x-axis is the formula root of y square plus z square. It means x-axis the 0 only there is y square plus z square. For the y-axis is under root of x square plus z square. X-axis is y square plus x square plus y square. These are distance. The most important only these two terms, only this second one is first one is. This is very important too only. Okay. And last one is this also. If it is a of x1 comma y1 comma z1, b of x2 comma y2 comma z2, and c of x3 comma y3 comma z3 are collinear. Collinear means you can take any condition is AB plus BC is equal to AC or CA, or BC plus CA is equal to AB, or AB plus AC is equal to BC. Anyone this condition is satisfying, then you can say there is a collinear points only. Okay. Okay. This is a briefly explain of the 3 dimension and formulas also. You can write these all the formulas. You can do problems. You can next problem you can show that the points of A of 4 comma minus 4 comma 9 comma 6, B of minus 1 comma 6 comma 6, and C of 0 comma 7 comma 10 from the right angular isolated triangle. Right angular isolated triangles. What it means you can observe here. 2 sides must be equivalent only. And Pythagoras theorem what is saying? Any 2 sides square is equal to remaining the side square is equal to. Therefore, that is called a right angle triangle. Therefore, you can observe here. We are given 3 vertices. I am taking the A, B, C as it is. find the AB distance first is, therefore formula apply, -1 minus of minus plus 4 whole square plus y2 minus 5 1 6 minus 9 whole square plus next AB is 6 minus 6 whole square. Therefore AB square equal to the minus 4 plus minus 1 plus 4 is nothing but 3 square is 9. 6 minus 9 is nothing but minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 0 is equal to 18, or I can write here that is 9 into 2 root 9 is nothing but 3, this is root 2. AB is equal to, in cot here what the value is, AB is equal to 3 root 2. Similarly you can find here BC is equal to, BC means 0 of minus plus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 6 whole square plus 10 minus 6 whole square. I am writing directly 10 minus 6, okay. BC means, therefore 1 plus 7 minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1 square is nothing but 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 square is nothing but 16. That is equal to root 18. Root 9, so I can write here 9 into 2. Therefore root 9 is nothing but 3 root 2. Last you can find here CA. CA 0 minus of minus 0 plus 4 whole square plus x2 minus formula 7 minus 9 whole square, last is 10 minus 6 whole square. Therefore root of 14 4 square is 16. 7 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 9 is 2. 2 square is nothing but 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 square is 16. It is 20 root 36. Okay, root 36 is equal to 6. You can observe here these two sides are same. Two sides are same, and I can write here AB square plus BC square, how much it is? 3 root 2 whole square plus 3 root 2 whole square is nothing but root 18 whole square is 18 plus 18 is equal to 36. That equal to root 36 is nothing but CA square is, that is 36 only. Okay, CA square is equal to nothing but here CA root is 6. Therefore CA square is equal to 36. Therefore AC square. Therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Therefore I can write again, if it is given triangle is isolation triangle right angle, because you can write here given triangle or given ABC in triangle AB is equal to BC and AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Then triangle of ABC is called here isolations right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, this is the end of their problem. Okay, exercise 5a, first bit problem. Find the distance of the P of 3 comma minus 2 comma 4 from the origin. What the formula is? Distance from the P of x comma y from the origin is under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Therefore it is given P of 3 comma minus 2 comma 4 x square 3 square plus y square minus 2 z square minus 2y Z is nothing but 4 square. Therefore 9 plus 4 plus 16 is nothing but a root of 29 units. Very simple and clear problems. You can use the only one problem, only one method only. Okay, one formulas only, distance formula only. In this exercise you have the use. Okay, next second one problem is observe it. Second bit, first problem, find the x if the distance between 5 comma minus 1 comma 7 and x comma 5 comma 1 is 9 units is given. Therefore you can find the first, you can write the formula of the between the 2 points distance formula, 2 points distance formula. Then P of x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2, then distance of the between 2 points is formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Here x1 y1 z1 is 5 minus 1 7, x2 y2 z2 is equal to x comma 5 comma 1 and distance is given 9. Therefore 9 is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square is nothing but x minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus 5 1 whole square, 5 plus 1 whole square, 5 plus 1 and z2 minus z1 1 minus 7 whole square, x minus 5 whole square as you can write here plus this is nothing but 36, this is also 36. Therefore you can remove the once again you can write here 9 is equal to under root of x minus 5 whole square plus this is 72. Okay, squaring both sides, what happened, that is 81 is equal to x minus 5 whole square plus 72. You got here 81 is equal 9 square is nothing but 81 is equal to, you can bring this side, what happens, that is 81 minus 72 is equal to x minus 5 whole square, or I can write here x minus 5 whole square is equal to, you subtract here 72, what happens, it is 11 minus 3 means you get the 3 and 81 minus 72 is nothing but how much, that is 9 only. Okay, therefore x minus 5 is equal to root 9. Therefore you can write here plus or minus 3. X minus 5 is equal to plus or minus 3, you can take, you get the answer is x minus 5 is equal to plus 3 and x minus 5 is equal to minus 3. This is, I can write here x is equal to 3 plus 5, x is equal to 8, x is equal to minus 3 plus 5, x is equal to 2. Therefore you got here x is equal to 2 comma 8, x is equal to 2 comma 8. Once again listen, this I am writing here x minus 5 whole square as is 81 minus 72 is nothing but 9. Therefore x minus 5 is equal to root 9 is plus or minus 3. I am taking plus 3 first and minus 3 are second one. Therefore you can bring this side, minus 5 is nothing but plus 5, x is equal to 8, you can bring the LHS. Okay, RHS, you can bring this RHS, x is equal to minus 3 plus 5, you can simplification again. This is the x value you can find. Okay, next question is, P is a variable point which moves such that 3PA is equal to 2PB if A point is minus 2 comma 2 comma 3 and B is 13 comma minus 3 comma 13. Prove that P satisfy the equation is x square plus y square plus z square plus 28x minus 12y plus 13z minus 247 is equal to 0. Same, this problem is in locus, but they are only 2 coordinates, but here given 3 coordinates. Okay, what is the locus, you have to, what you are doing, that is the locus. Here also you can do same method. It is given 2 vertices of the 3 dimensional, and then assume that is the A is equal to minus 2 comma 2 comma 3 and B is 13 comma minus 3 comma 3. And what is given here, 3PA is equal to 2PB. Therefore I can write here 3PA is equal to 2PB. squaring both side, whatever there is 9pa square is equal to 4pb square. Call equation number 1, or you can directly substitute here pa square and pb square. What is the p square is? Between p and a distance. What do you have to p? You can let p is must be x comma y comma z. Can write here? Let p may be x comma y comma z, any point. Okay. Therefore, substitute here pa square is, how can I write here? I will explain. First is 9. Pa square is distance between p and a. X minus half minus plus 2, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 3 whole square. 4 into pb square is x minus 13 whole square plus y minus half minus plus y plus 3 whole square plus z minus 13 whole square. Get simplification. 9 of x plus 2 whole square, x square plus 4x plus 4. This is a y square plus 4y minus 4y, z square minus 6z plus 9. Similarly, this one is x square 169 plus 169. 13 square is minus 2ab means 26x. This is the y square plus 6y plus 9. The z square plus 169 plus minus 26z. You can simplify 9x square minus 4x square plus 9y square minus 4y square, 9z square minus 4z square. Okay. Next, 36x minus, first calculate as is 36x. Observe here, you get up to your own. Okay, 36y minus 36y plus 54z. Okay, and 9 plus 4 is nothing but is 17. Sorry, 13. 13 into 9 is nothing but 153. Okay. Sorry. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 9 is 153. And remaining 4x square, 4y square, 4z square you are getting. And next year 104x minus 24y minus 104z plus, again 169 plus 9 plus 169, you can simplify and multiply with 4, you get the 1388. This is simplification you can do. Next is, I can write here, this is a 5x square plus 5y square 5z square. What the x terms is? Okay, therefore plus 144x. What the y terms is? Minus 60y. Z terms is also 150. 50z only. This is a minus 54z. Minus 54z. This is 154 minus 1. This is a 154 plus z only. This is minus 104z. You can simplify with the plus 50z. Minus 54z. This is the minus of 104z means you can bring this side. Whatever that is plus 104z. Plus 104 minus 54 is nothing but plus 50z. Plus 50z. Okay. Plus 50z only. And plus or minus of, you can write here 1235. 1235. You can take the minus x square plus y square plus z square plus 28x minus 15y plus 10z minus 247 is equal to 0. This is minus 138. Okay, this is also minus 138. This is also minus. This is plus only. You can write this is the minus 50 minus 10 only. Simplification you can do is a very simple. Okay, you get the answer is x square plus y square plus z square is plus 28x minus 15y minus 10z minus 247 is equal to 0. Okay, this plus only same as this. Observe here, this is you can got here, you can write this is a 5x square only. First is 5x square plus 5y square plus 5z square, and x terms is you can write here plus 140x, and y term is minus 60y, z terms is plus 54 minus 104 means you can write here minus 50z minus 1 to 1388. Simplification you get the 1235. Okay, 1235 is equal to 0. You take the minus 5 common, x square plus y square plus z square plus is nothing but 28x, and this is a minus 12y and minus 10z minus 247 is equal to 0. This is our answer only. This is our answer. Okay, right. Next question. Show that the points 1 comma 2 comma 3 7 comma 0 comma 1 and minus 2 comma 3 comma 4 collinear. Let the points is what is given first is a of 1 comma 2 comma 3 and b of 7 comma 0 comma 1, c of minus 2 comma 3 comma 4. You can find the three distance, that is AB, BC and CA. It is collinear means it can any two sides is equivalent to third one is. Listen, first time formula writing x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. AB is between 2 points is 7 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square 3 minus whole square. Therefore 36, that is 6 square 36, 2 square minus 2 whole square nothing but 4, minus 2 square is nothing but 4, root 36 plus 4 40 plus 4 44 is going to be root 4 into 11, that is 2 root 2. Similarly find the BC is minus 2 minus 7 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square is equal to, and right here minus 9 whole square is equal to 81, 3 square is 9, this is also 4 minus 1 is 3, that is 3 square is nothing 9, 18, 18 plus 81 is nothing but 99. Therefore I can write here root 9 into 11 or 3 root 11. And CA is minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square 3 minus 4 whole square. The minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 whole square is 9. It is a 3 minus 1 whole square 1. It is minus 1 plus 1 is equal to root 11. Therefore I can write here BC is equal to AB plus CA. 3 root 11 is equal to 2 root 11 plus root 11 is nothing. Therefore we can say that, so we can say that given A comma B C are collinear. This is the end of our first exercise 1A. I will continuation of the, I will tell you another 1 week some important points or important formulas for exercise 5B. Okay, in this class only I will tell you. Next is section formulas or section dividing the line 3 parts or 2 parts. Okay, what is the formulas you can observe here? Same method, a third 3-dimensional only. The point dividing the segment AB where AB is a ratio m is 10. Therefore formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, mz2 plus nz1 by m plus n. First formula is a point is divided in the segment AB is k:1. It is a m is to n only in this formula. I am taking as k:1. Therefore, what is the formula? Kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 by ky1, kz2 minus z1 by k plus 1. And third is, observe here, the ratio of in xy plane dividing the line a of x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. Therefore is, it is xy plane means z is minus z1 is to z2. In yz plane means minus x1 is to x2. Zx plane is minus y1 is to y2. If it is xy means z, remaining the what is z is, therefore minus z1 is to z2. Yz means remaining is x, minus x1 is to x2. And zx is, you can remaining minus y1 is to y2. The midpoint of the AB, if it is AB, this coordinates x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. Therefore midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, and z1 plus z2 by 2. This is the basic concept of this section. Or we have another three formulas I will explain. Next is centroid of the triangle. A is x1 y1 z1, B is x2 y2 z2, C is x3 y3 z3. You already done in the previous classes. G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z by 3. This is centroid, okay, with triangle. In this session we have one tetrahedron. 4 vertices are tetrahedron. That is a vertices are a of x1 comma y1 comma z1, b of x2 comma y2 comma z2, and c of x3 comma y3 comma z3, and fourth vertices d of x4 y4 z4. Then centroid is s is equal to, I can write here, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 by 4, z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4 by 4. This is the new concept of their tetrahedron formula. Okay, so, trigonometry triangle tetraid centroid is simple, but it is also very fourth coordinate means adding the 4 coordinates. Okay, next last one is, next is P divides AB internally in ratio L is to M. Therefore AP is to PB is L is to M. I can write here L is to M. Okay, this is AP is to BP. Q divides AB externally in the ratio of AQ is how much? It is only L only. AQ is, you can take here, AQ is equal to L, and BQ is reversely, you can take, therefore minus M. Therefore L is to minus M. L is to minus M. It is P comma Q are harmonic conjugative points. Harmonic conjugative points of A and B. Harmonic conjugative points of the A and B. It is a very important point is, you can find the harmonic conjugative points here, A and B. Okay, this is the concept of the our total 3D dimension bisection section formulas only. Okay, you can do problems, you can do some solved problems. Find the point which divides the line joining the points A of 2 comma minus 3 comma 1 and B of 3 comma 4 comma minus 5 in the ratio 1:3. Now the formula is, if it is given 2 points is divides in the ratio m is to n, then mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, mz2 plus nz1 by m plus n. You can take here x1 comma y1 comma z is a point is, how can I write here? Point is, I can write here A of 2 comma minus 3 comma 1. B point is 3 comma 4 comma minus 5, and m is 10 is equal to 1:3. Apply formula here, 1 into 3 3 1 into 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 6 by 1 plus 3 and m by 2. M by 2 means 1 into y2 4 1 into 4 plus 3 into minus 3 3 into minus 3 is minus 9 by 1 plus 3 as it is. M z2 minus 15 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 plus n z1 plus 3 by 1 plus 3. Therefore 9 by 3. This is a 4 plus minus 9 is minus 5 by 3 and minus 5 plus 3 is nothing but minus 12 is 3 into 1 only is 1 into 5 only, sorry, 1. Therefore minus 2 by 4 only, minus 4 by 2. This is also 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. This is also 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. 9 by 4 minus 5 by 4. This is minus 1 by 2. This is the finding of the divide in the Emmelstein formula. Okay, next 2 marks, very important. The centroid of the tetrahedron whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 4, minus 3, 3, minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 1. Therefore, you have the formula is sum of the all the first coordinates, that is x1, x2, x3 plus x4 by 4, y1 plus y2 plus y3, y plus y4 by 4, z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z by z4 by 4. Therefore, I can write here 2 plus 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 by 4. Second one is 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 4. Last one is minus 4 minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 by 4. The plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 4. Is all the plus, you can add this, whatever there is. 9 plus 3, 9 plus 6 is 15 by 4, and last one is minus 4 plus 1 is nothing but minus 3 by 4. This is our answer. 1 by 4, 5 by 4, 15 by 4, minus 3 by 4, the centroid of the tetrahedron. Okay, next question is find the ratio in which the YZ plane divides the line joining the points A, 2, A of 2, 4, 5. A is given 2, 4, 5 and B is 3, 5, minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. We have the one formula is, if it is A, B point is given at YZ plane, means the remaining is x only, therefore minus x1 is to x2. Formula is minus x1 is to x2. What is x1 is 2 and x2 is 3. Minus 2 is to 3. This is a MCQ, directly you can write this is a formula only for the 1 mark only. Okay, what is the process you can observe here? Process also I am telling how to find the formula of how to using the formula how to find the solution is. You can find the point is, okay. I am writing the formula is, or next question solution is, suppose the line segment AB is meets at YZ plane at P. I am assuming that is a P only, and P divides AB in ratio k:1. You don't have the ratio, you don't know, therefore I am assuming that is k+1, k:1. Then P with the formula kx2 plus x1 by k+1, ky2 plus y1 by k+1, kz2 plus z1 by k+1. Therefore you can substitute here x1 y1 y1 z2 x1 z2. How you are getting p of 3k plus 2 by k plus 1. 3k plus 2 by k plus 1, 5k plus 4 by k plus 1, minus 4k plus 5 by k plus 1. This since p lies on, you can write here, given or since p lies on yz plane. Yz plane means you can write that is x is equal to 0. X coordinate must be equal to 0. 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 is equal to 0, or 3k plus 2 is equal to 0, or k is equal to minus 2 by 3. Therefore ratio is how much is k is to 1 is equal to minus 2 by 3 is to 1, or minus 2 is to 3. You got here minus 2 is to 3. Therefore you can substitute here k value, you get the point is, I am substituting here p of, observe here, listen here, p of 3 of k is nothing but how much is minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by minus 2 by 3 plus 1, 5 of minus 2 by 3 plus 4 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 as it is, minus 4 minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Therefore 3 get cancelled. First coordinate is equal to the minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Direct I can write 0 only. This is I can write here minus 10 by 3 plus 4 divided by minus 2 plus 3. This is also minus half minus plus 8 by 3 plus 5 minus 2 plus 3 by 3. Therefore p of 0 comma, this is nothing but 2 by 2. Simplify you can do here, 2 by 2 is 1 by 3. With 2 by 3 you are getting 2 by 3. This is also you get the 23 by 3 by 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. P of 0 comma 2 comma 23, our point is intersection of the point. Sorry, the what is the point is intersection only. Intersection of the point, ratio is minus 2 is to 3. Minus 2 is to 3. Okay, these are end of our problems, and remaining problems are there in 5B exercise also. I will tell the next class.